Hi, if you are a marketing, business, IT leader and you are looking to grow, transform at any level in your organization, small or large, but you're trying to make a leap forward, you're going to need to measure your success and results to know if you are successful or not. So what I want to show you is three tiers. There's three tiers of growth KPIs that you need to look at, measure, and prioritize in your organization moving forward. This will help you so much communicate clearly at any level of the organization. Okay, so here they are. The first tier, let me get my pencil at the right thickness. Okay, done. First tier, these are tier one, and that is revenue and sales. Revenue and sales. That is tier one metrics of success. Are we making money? Who's going to want to know about this? CEO, executives, high stakeholders, investors. People want to know what are the bottom line results we're getting. Tier one KPIs. Tier two are also really important. Those are key results, such as, let's say you're doing marketing. You're looking at things like MQLs. You might be looking at SQLs. You might even look at things like Net Promoter Score, right? These are really important metrics. I'm going to move these more into the center. Metrics for the company to measure, but the bottom line people may not care about those. But you know who really does is senior leadership. Senior leadership really wants to know, how are we succeeding in key results? Third tier are for the more tactical team doing the work, and what they want to know is our work on a boots on the ground level making progress toward tier 2 and tier 1 metrics. And those are things like maybe impressions, click-through rate, domain rating, right? Depending on what project you're working on, those will be different, but they're lower level. And what I want you to see is there is a high disconnect between tier 1 and tier 3. Executives want to know about tier 1. The thing is that in order to have the tier 1 metrics, you need to make sure the ship is on the right track at every mile along the way. And that's where these metrics down here, for the ones who are driving the ship, not captaining the ship, they need to know, are we succeeding in growing at a low level so that we can promote level 2 or tier 2 and tier 1 metrics. So any project that you're working on, I would encourage you to take the time to look at all three tiers of metrics for your project, for your organization, for your transformation, to make sure you are charting success for everybody on the team along the way. All right, best of luck. Go get them.